Jake learns to count with magic beans. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills and lush green meadows, there lived a curious young boy named Jake. Jake was a bright and inquisitive lad, always eager to learn new things. One sunny morning, as he played in his grandmother's garden, he discovered a mysterious old pouch hidden behind a row of colorful flowers. With wide-eyed curiosity, Jake opened the pouch and found a handful of magical beans inside. These weren't ordinary beans. They sparkled with a magical glow. Intrigued, Jake decided to explore their powers. As he held one bean in his hand, he felt a tingling sensation. The bean spoke to him in a gentle, musical voice. "I am Counting Bean, and with me, you can learn the magic of numbers." Excited, Jake agreed to the challenge. The Counting Bean started teaching him to count, starting from the basics. "One," said the bean, and Jake repeated. "Two," said the bean, and Jake echoed. The magical process continued until Jake could count up to 10 effortlessly, but the Counting Bean had more surprises in store. With a wave of its magical stem, the bean transformed into a tiny abacus. Jake was fascinated as the beads moved back and forth. The Counting Bean explained how to use the abacus to add and subtract numbers. Jake practiced diligently, and soon he became a master of counting and basic arithmetic. The village, noticing Jake's newfound skills, marveled at his abilities. They were unaware of the magical beans, thinking Jake had an extraordinary talent for learning. One day, the Counting Bean turned into a playful number game. Jake and the bean would play together, making learning a delightful experience. The game involved arranging numbers in order, identifying patterns, and even solving simple math puzzles. As Jake played and learned with the magical bean, his confidence grew. He could now count, add, subtract, and solve puzzles with ease. The village was impressed with his progress, and Jake became a little hero in his community. Eventually, Jake's grandmother noticed the magical pouch in his hands. She explained that the beans were a family heirloom, passed down through generations, each bean possessing a unique ability to teach essential skills. Jake was grateful for the magical beans and the valuable lessons they brought. With newfound knowledge and confidence, he continued his journey of learning, always remembering the enchanting days when he learned to count with the help of the magical beans in his grandmother's garden. And so, the village lived happily, counting their blessings and embracing the magic of learning.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.